The apples look like little golden stars today. Come closer, dear friend, and walk with us.
The leaves are dancing all around my feet. Can you hear their tiny autumn song?
The morning air feels cool and sweet. It smells like apples and fresh grass. Every tree has a story to tell. Today, we will listen carefully together.
Autumn always brings gentle surprises. My heart feels peaceful in this orchard. The bright red apples are shining today. They seem ready to come home with us.
I found the biggest apple on this tree. It looks almost too pretty to eat.
The basket is getting heavy already. We may need another one very soon.
Pick each apple with gentle hands. Good things grow when treated with care.
Slow mornings are special little gifts. They help us notice life's beauty.
A leaf landed softly on my scarf. I think autumn wanted to say hello.
The orchard feels warm and welcoming today, like an old friend opening a door. The trees are full of color everywhere. Orange, gold, and red surround us.
Nature teaches patience every single season. Each harvest arrives at the right time.
These apples remind me of childhood days. Simple moments often become precious memories. Let's fill one more basket together. Working together makes everything easier.
I can hear birds singing nearby. They sound happy this morning too.
The sunlight shines through the leaves beautifully. Everything looks like a storybook painting. Thank you, Orchard, for your kindness today. You have shared so much with us.
Grateful hearts always feel lighter. That is a lesson worth remembering. Now let's head back to the cottage. Our cinnamon cakes are waiting to begin.
I love the smell of cinnamon so much. It makes every room feel cozy.
I'll help wash all the apples. Teamwork makes baking much more fun. The kitchen feels warm and cheerful already. Everyone has an important little job.
The best recipes need love first. Every other ingredient comes after that.
Let's sprinkle cinnamon over the mixture gently. The sweet aroma fills the whole kitchen.
The batter looks smooth and creamy now. I cannot wait to taste the cake. The oven light looks magical tonight. Our cakes are slowly turning golden.
Good things often take a little time. Patience makes the reward even sweeter.
While the cakes bake, gather around. I have a story to share. Many years ago, during an autumn harvest, a small village learned a valuable lesson.
What lesson did the villagers learn, Dadi? I really want to hear the story.
The village once had a magnificent orchard. Everyone enjoyed its fruit every season. The orchard sounds wonderful already. What happened to it afterward? One year, the villagers became careless. They forgot to appreciate what they had. They picked fruit without any gratitude. Soon the orchard began to suffer. Did the orchard stop growing apples? That sounds really sad. Yes, the trees produced fewer apples. The village slowly realized its mistake.
Sometimes people forget simple blessings. Then they remember their true value. I think the villagers learned something important. Gratitude can change how we see everything.
The villagers finally changed their ways. They cared for the orchard with gratitude.
Did the orchard become healthy again? I hope everything turned out well.
Yes, the orchard flourished once more. Grateful hearts helped it bloom again. This cake tastes even sweeter tonight. Stories and family make everything better.
Today gave us many wonderful memories. May we always remain thankful together.
Learn Quran online with Hassan al-Basri Quran Academy. We teach Quran online with Tajweed through Skype, Zoom, and WhatsApp all over the world. We offer Quran for beginners, Quran with Tajweed, Qiraat course, Quran translation, Quran memorization, Tafsir course. Learn with qualified expert and trained teachers. So what you waiting for? Join us. Visit our website, hassanalbasriquranacademy.com.